seen things that you wouldn't believe. But once your heart is there, you can never leave. I wrote this here for everyone to see. It was calling me, it kept calling me. Even in darkness, me and my fam from the dungeon found that light. And even in darkness, despite what was wrong, everything's gonna be alright. I said, oh, oh, when it gets real cold, we got fire, and that's music to my soul. I said, oh, oh, when the lights get low, we burn brighter, and that's music to my soul. Even in darkness. Well, look at me now, I'm everything that I wanted to be.